Welcome to the AI Euro 2024. Today's match is between Poland and Austria. The table is wide open. This last game will determine who will qualify and who will go home. It's all to play for. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. Austria on the strike first. So Poland counter-striking and almost scoring there. Oh, a terrible own goal from the Polish defender. Under no pressure, he just kicked the ball back into his own goal. 1-0 for Austria. And a quick reply from Poland. Straight off the whistle into the goal. 1-1. Ooh, and a quick reply from Austria. Off the whistle, bouncing the ball on the wall once and into goal. 2-1 for Austria. Oh, and another quick reply from Poland. Defender tried to stop it, but couldn't stop it. And it's 2-2. And it's 3-2. Another quick goal, this time from Poland, straight off the whistle. And it's 3-2 for Poland. Oh, and another quick goal, this time by Austria. Nice dribbling from the striker into goal. It's 3-3. For Poland on the attack. And a nice cross shot from the striker into the opposite side of the goal. It's 4-3 for Poland. Oh, and another quick goal, a succession of quick goals. This time from Poland, straight from the whistle. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Poland is ranked 30th, and their AI model gets to train on 1.3 million games. Austria is 24th, and its AI model gets to train on 1.4 million games. A tiny difference in the AI world, and this is reflected in the scoreline so far. And we join the game back at 5-3 for Poland. A lot of play in the midfield. And Poland is on the strike. And they score. Nice attack from the striker, bouncing off the wall into goal. It's 6-3 for Poland. The players playing in the midfield. Austria on the strike. Oh, and an opportunistic shot onto the side of the goal has gone in. And it's 6-4 for Poland. What are the Austrian players doing with the ball? I hope they don't score an own goal. Oh, but Polish striker has scored the goal for them. Nice shot from the striker into the center of the goal. And it's 7-4 for Poland. Oh, another dangerous dribble back from the Austrian defender. And a shot from the Polish striker ended up in goal between the two defenders. 8-4 for Poland. Oh, a quick own goal from Austria. Onto the side netting. Unfortunate. And it's 9-4. Game point for Poland. Are they going to do it? Yes, they are. Onto the side of the goal. Onto the side netting. Nice shot from the striker. Austria was the higher ranked team coming into this tournament. But this game, Poland has shown us that FIFA World Ranking doesn't really matter. The final score is Poland 10, Austria 4. Now let's look at the table of Group D. Poland has qualified for the knockout rounds and Austria is out. The next game will be between Netherlands and France. The winner will go through and the loser will be out. Who do you think will go through? Tell us in the comments below. And to find out for real, please subscribe and watch the next video.